Good afternoon, children. In previous class, I thought about factors and multiples. Today, I am giving revision in factors and multiples. See, what is a factor? First term is factor. Right? You write the number as product of two numbers. We have to think all the possible combination though. For example, take 32. Write the product of two numbers. Product of, right? 32 is equal to product of two numbers. You know that 1 into 32. 132 is a 32. Right? 32 if you are dividing by 1, remainder is 0. So, it is exactly divisible. 32 is exactly divisible by 1. Same way, 32 is also divisible by 32. In that case also remainder is 0. So 1 and 32 are the factors of 32. Then you go to the next number, that is 2. Is 32 is divisible by 2? Yes. Because it is an even number. So 2 into 16. See, product of two numbers. 2 into 16. 2 16s are 32. So 2 is one factor and 62 is also a factor of 32. Okay. Then you go to the third one. Next number 3. What is the divisibility rule of 3? Sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 3. Then the number is divisible by 3. Here 3 plus 2 how much? 5. Is 5 divisible by 3? No. So the number is not divisible by 3. Then you go to the next number 4. Is 32 is divisible by 4? Yes. 4 8s are 32. 4 8s are 32. Right? Then 4 is a factor of 32. Okay. Then you go to the next number 5. Is 5 divisible? 32 is divisible by 5? No. What is the divisibility rule of 5? One's plus digit must be 0 or 5. Then the number is divisible by 5. But what is here 2? Is 32 is divisible by 5? No. Right? Then you go to the 6. Is 32 divisible by 6? No. Because what is the divisibility rule of 6? If a number is divisible by 2 and 3, then the number is divisible by 6. Here it is divisible by 2, but not divisible by 6. So 32 is not divisible by 6. Then you go to the next number 7. 7 4s are 28. 7 5s are 35. 32 is not divisible by 7. Then you go to the next number 8. Is 32 divisible by 8? Yes. 8 4s are 32. Right? So, that product 8 onwards already covered here. See 8 and 16. No other numbers as the if you are multiplying any two numbers, 32 will not come. So these are the products of two numbers. We will get 32. Okay, children? So these are the factors of 32. So therefore 1, 2, 4 U shape. In U shape we write that will come in ascending order. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32 is the factors of 32. Right? Is it clear? So see the properties of factors, Nana. One is a factor of every number, and the number itself is a factor of that number. And factors, all the factors of any number is less than the number and equal to the number. Okay. A factor of a number is smaller than or equal to the number. What is the smallest factor here? What is the smallest factor? And what is the greatest factor? The number itself is the greatest factor. Okay, children? This is about factors. Therefore, factor means exact divisors of that number. Okay. Now I am going to explain multiple. Multiple of a number is equal to given number into any number. Okay. A multiple of a number is the product obtained when the given number is multiplied by the same number or any other number. For example, write the first 5 multiples of 5. That is the question. So write first 5 multiples of 5. So 5 you are multiplying by 1, what will come? 5 1s are 5. By 2, 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. Just to write the product. No need to write the table. 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. These are the first 5 multiples of 5. Here, what is the smallest multiple? The number itself is the smallest multiple. And there is no greatest multiple. In factors, the number itself is the greatest number and one is the smallest factor. The number itself is the greatest factor and one is the smallest factor. Here in multiples, the number itself is the smallest multiple and there is no greatest multiple. This is about multiples. Then I am going to the prime numbers. Prime numbers means prime numbers. Prime numbers means a number having only 2 factors, that is the number 1 and itself. Are the factors of that number, those numbers are called prime numbers. Remaining other numbers are called composite numbers. Otherwise, another definition is the number which have more than 2 factors is called composite numbers. Clear, children? Prime numbers means the number having only 2 factors, that is 1 and itself. For example, take 5. What are the factors of 5? 1 5s are 5. 5 1s are 5. There is no other factors. So 1 and 5 are the factors of 5. So like these numbers are called prime numbers. What is the smallest prime number? 2 is called the smallest prime number and 2 is also called even prime number. Clear, children? 2 is even prime number also and that is the smallest prime number. 1 is not a prime number nor a composite number. Okay, children? Now, suppose then next number is 6. What are the factors of 6? 1 6s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are, again already it came. So, these are all the factors of 6. So, what are the factors? 1, 2, 3 are the factors of and 6 are the factors of 6. Total how many factors? 4 factors. So it is more than 2. So like these numbers are called composite numbers. Clear, children? And then co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers. What is co-prime numbers? Co-prime numbers means any two numbers you can take. They differ. Their common factor must be 1. Those numbers are called co-prime numbers. Suppose you take 2 and 3. What are the common factors? What are the factors of 2? 1 and 2 are the factors of 2. Then you take 3. 1 and 3 are the factors of 3. What is the common factor in these two numbers? 1 is the common factor. So 2 and 3 are co-prime numbers. Okay, children? And you take another example. 2 and otherwise 5 and 9. What are the factors of 5? Factors of 5 are 1, 5. And what are the factors of 9? 1 9s are 9, 3 3s are 9 and 9. These are the 3 more than 2 factors. So this is a composite number. This is a prime number. What is the common factor? 1 is the common factor. So 5 and 9 are called co-prime numbers. Okay, children? Is it clear? Then I am going to explain about twin primes. Next, twin prime means twin primes. Twin primes means take any two prime number, their difference must be 2. Then those numbers are called twin primes. For example, see, you know that 2, 3, 5, 7 are the primes between 1 to 10. Right? 1 to 10. 4 is a composite number. 6 is a composite number. 8 is a composite number. 9 is a composite number. Now all I told you. Right? So these are the primes between 1 to 10. Here take these two numbers 2 and 3. Is 2 and 3 are twin primes? What we have to check it? Their difference must be 2. 3 minus 2 how much? 1. So is it twin primes? No. Then you take 3, 5. What is the difference between 3 and 5? The difference is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. So this is a twin prime. These two are twin primes. Okay, children. Then you take 5 and 7. What is the difference between 5 and 7? 7 minus 5 is 2. Then these two are also called twin primes. Okay, children? HCF. Next one. Highest common factor. These are HCF means highest common